Why do you need to watch this video? Because what you're about to see isn't just a car. It's Ferrari rewriting the rules of speed, power and technology. This is the 2026 Ferrari F80, and it might be the most extreme Ferrari ever made. It doesn't scream with a V12 like the old LaFerrari. Instead, it whispers danger with a hybrid V6 that launches it from 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds. Ferrari didn't just build a car, they engineered a weapon with Formula 1 DNA. The F80 is Ferrari's brand new flagship hypercar, taking the torch from legends like the 288 GTO and LaFerrari. But this time, they've gone radical. Underneath its futuristic skin, a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 works together with 3 electric motors to produce a mind-bending 1,184 horsepower. 2 of those motors power the front wheels. Yes, the F80 is all-wheel drive. An 8-speed dual-clutch, active aero and electric-controlled suspension, all tuned to perfection. On the track in Italy, it feels like it was carved from a simulation, but somehow, it still belongs on the street. Step inside and forget everything you know about luxury. This isn't about plush, it's about purpose. Ferrari calls it a One Plus cabin, with one red throne for the driver and a dark fixed seat for the passenger that blends into the background. There's no touchscreen, no distractions, just a digital gauge cluster controlled from the steering wheel, because if you're lucky enough to drive an F80, you won't need anything else. Only 799 units will ever exist, and if you want one, you'll need more than $3.7 million and probably a phone call from Maranello. Every single one will be customized, and every owner will be part of your Ferrari history. And despite being built for the track, Ferrari didn't ignore safety. Emergency braking, lane assist, adaptive cruise, it's all there. Because when you're piloting a car this powerful, confidence matters. The Ferrari F80 isn't just fast, it's not just futuristic, it's Ferrari's boldest statement yet, that the future of speed isn't loud, it's lightning quick and laser precise. If you're a true car lover, this is the video you share with friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe and come back for more game-changing hypercars. Because if this is the future of Ferrari, you won't want to miss what's next.